Welcome to season 1, episode 4 on how to design an attractive flyer here in Photoshop. You are here on simplicity.kboat page. So please, if you are new here to this page, kindly like and subscribe as I'm about to show you in detailed form how to design this flyer. Okay, so we create new. This is our new page. Sorry, if you are old here, you are welcome. You are all welcome. Okay, so this I am creating my new page in inches, 4 inches width and height of 4.2. Your page should look something like this. Okay guys, so from here I am going to create my background. Okay, so we come here to this adjustment layer down here. All right, you click on it, then you go to the top to select a solid color. You take solid color black, you just put the bottom like that to create a black solid color for you. So this is our color. So from here you create a new layer and then take our brush tool and increase the brush level to about a big brush size. Okay, then select this color using the code. Okay guys, this is our color. Please forgive me for all my brushes appearing. Okay, I think it's because of the recorder. Alright, so if you use your brush, you should get something like this using the brush tool and everything. You blur, Gaussian blur about 20 pixels and you hit OK to get this feature right in Photoshop. Alright, this is how it goes guys. So this is our background. So let me go and get our background images. Go to file, place embedded, selecting this. Boom. Okay guys, we are here. Here we are. You flip, you right click and you flip. Ctrl+T to transform, just to come to this page. Alright, enlarging, tick to done, to finish. Alright, so from here creating a layer mask, taking a brush tool, reducing the brush size. Okay, sorry for how my brush will be appearing. Okay, and then brushing off the sharp edges like that. Okay, alright, so from here you reduce opacity, then blur, Gaussian blur, filter, you go to blur, you go to Gaussian blur. About 10 pixels isn't bad. 15. Alright, okay, this is good. Right, you reduce opacity. After reducing opacity, you come back to your blur, trying to remove more of the sharp edges like that. Okay, alright, here we have it, bringing in another photo. So this is our pattern. So this pattern, we are going to increase it, enlarge it like that. Alright, take to finish. So from here you're going to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So you blur about 20 pixels like that to get this glossy effect on our background. Okay, so from here we are going to take our brush to create a layer mask like this. Alright, okay, then take your brush tool, then brush off the edges of this pattern. Brush off like this, like that, then brush. Okay, just to get this glossy feel. Sorry, Ctrl Z to undo. Alright, so up like that, reducing opacity. Okay guys, so about 50%. So from here, okay, let's do this. We should change the blend mode to luminosity just to get a glossy effect, okay, on our layer like that, for our background. Sorry, bringing in another photo of our time machine. So this is our time machine and we are going to make good use of it. Ctrl+T to free transform, and also let's go. Alright, so what you do is press Ctrl+T, free transform, then right click, then you flip vertical it will turn like this for you. Alright, so from here you create a layer mask and you take your brush tool. So this procedure is used to clear the sharp edges of the photo, just to make it blend with the background. Okay, so when you use this procedure, bear in mind you are going to blend it very well into the background. So we will actually be using this procedure throughout. Okay guys, here we have it. Reduce opacity a bit. Alright, like that, like this, like that. Okay, simplicity here. And please don't forget to subscribe to support me and also to be notified anytime I drop a new video. Okay, here we have it. Let me take my rectangle tool. So these are all the background. Okay, alright, so let's give it a solid color. Did I just say solid color? A color. Okay, alright, color of this code. Okay guys, this is our yellow color here. Send it to the top. Let's group everything. Ctrl+G to group, naming it background. Okay, our background. This is our background, guys. There we have it. So in this season 4, we are going to learn how to create this 3D looks with no 3D. Okay, place embedded. Let's bring in our pastors. Okay guys, flipping horizontal, Ctrl+T to transform, creating layer mask, taking my brush tool, then brushing off like that. Okay guys, so from here I am going to speed up just as I did before. Okay guys, welcome. Alright, there we have it. Okay, let me Ctrl+T to transform all of them like that. Okay, Ctrl+T. Okay, so here in this tutorial we are going to, coming up next, we're going to design a 3D effect. The main part of our flyer. So kindly pay close attention, be attentive, okay, to this process. Okay. Alright, so link to download all these files are in the description. You can download them and use it. So creating a circle using my ellipse tool. Okay, let's change the color. We should change the color to, okay, for clarity's sake, okay, so that it won't be like we are at the background, but we will need the black. Okay, so later on we will bring it back. Go to effects. Okay, use them. Let's go to effects, let's bring it back once and for all. Okay, so this is our black. It is just black. Okay, nothing is bold. Go to effects, click blending options, then this is our stroke. To stroke about 1:5:15. Okay, there we have it. So our stroke should be a gradient color. So let's create a gradient color. Okay, let's sample our yellow here. Okay, there we have it. Sorry guys. Okay, and take a light yellow like that. Okay, there we have it. So go to bevel and emboss like that. Okay, just keep these details and you are good to go. Take a style of bevel, outer bevel, then smooth, chisel, soft. Okay, and it should be down like that with a size of, okay, just keep these details in mind, guys, as we get along. You can as well put it down. Alright, size of this, just to get the effect. So we are starting up, guys, with a soften of 0 to just opacities, reducing them like that. So when you do, you can play along just to get the effect for yourself at home. Okay, so you just reduce the fill here to get this effect like that. Okay, are you seeing it? Like that. Okay guys, there we have it. Good. Let's go back to add some inner shadow. So inner shadow of gray. Okay, all right, so stick to this effect and note them down.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
There we are. There we are. Okay, when you're done, you just tick OK, then you're gone. Alright, so what we are going to create, we are still on our 3D look. So here we're going to add our text. Okay, for time's sake, okay, let me skip this part. So see you after writing the text. Okay guys, this is our text effect and we are creating the 3D look. Okay, pay attention and let's go on. Okay, alright, so let's start. So we're going to start with our stroke like this with a color of white. So let's give it a stroke of about 4 pixels so that it will be very bold. Okay, very bold. Let's go to bevel and a pause. This is not what we want, so let's keep up with the details. Okay, depth, keeping up, size of okay, opacity, increase all the opacities. Okay, you can as well play along. Okay, all right, there we have it. There we have it, our 3D look. Tick done to finish. All right, okay guys, so that's our season. You just create a stroke and then give it a gradient color. So this is our line. So the line you saw there, so this is, it is too long, so let's try and bring it in. Zoom in and you hold Alt and use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out in Photoshop. You check this to finish. Right, so let me center everything. Okay, so select all the text like that, then you go to center just like this. So let's keep up guys, let's keep up. All right, okay, grouping everything, which is the text. Our fire won't be bad. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so let me bring in another image. Boom, here we are. So this is in a JPEG. So let's rasterize the layer. You right click, then you rasterize, then take your magic eraser tool, then you just select, you click on it, so convert it to smart object so that we won't lose our image quality. After reducing the size like that, tick to finish. Okay guys, I hope you're enjoying my video. Okay, and if there is any question you would want to ask or any suggestion, kindly leave your reply or comment in the comment section. Okay, giving it a stroke with the color. Okay, this yellow, great. There we have it. Okay, now you're done. Alright, so guys, I am going to skip this. I'm going to speed up. See you next. Okay guys, there we have it. Alright, so these are the details. I skipped this or speed this video because I just wanted to keep up with time. Okay, it is just applying the text with it. Let's play our cards well. You just add a stroke and a shadow, that's all. And the dapped, use the font, the fonts we use for the works. Okay, then you just give it a shadow, that's all. Okay, like this. Alright, let's carry on. Okay, proceeding. Okay, what we are going to do now is to group. We are still on the 3D effect. Okay, we are still on the 3D effect. Alright, our fire hasn't come yet. Our lens, the sun strike, the lightning strike, okay, hasn't come in. So let's group our text and name it. This is our, alright, this is what we're grouping, guys. Alright, so let's import code file, please embedded. So link to this file and PSD will be in the description, guys. So this is our light, sorry, not our light, our fire. Oops, Ctrl Z to undo here. Okay, Ctrl T to transform. Let's bring more. This is our light image. Okay, our light image. Okay guys, there we have them. Okay, so we are coming to work on the fire. Send blend mode to screen, give it a layer mask, then take your brush tool like that, you brush around it just as we did before. Okay, this is nothing hard to do. Alright, making a duplicated one. Let's turn up the eye. Okay, sending it behind our 3D effect like that. Okay, so Ctrl plus T to free transform and move around like that as you have it, just as you can see. Alright, so this is the essential part of our flyer, so please pay attention, and in any form of confusion you can drop a comment and I will resolve the solution for you. Also, you can as well check the PSD just to keep up with the flyer making process. So this is season 1 episode 4. on how to create an attractive flyer. Okay. Alright, reducing the size. Okay, it has covered a whole lot of space up there, so let's reduce them. Reducing. Okay, so taking the brush tool and brushing out like that. There we have it. There we have it. Reduce it a bit to have that fire at the back of our image, like this, like that. So just position this anywhere. This fire. Okay. Control T to free transform, and you send the mouse cursor to the node and you tilt like that. So this is how you get the tilting effect in Photoshop, like that, just like this. So increasing the size, Control T to increase the size, like that, like that. Let's see, let's just increase it. Okay, we are moving on. Okay, we are moving on. Oops, sorry, we are moving on. All right. Okay, so let's move to our referral image. Okay, so let's work on our text effect again. So after grouping all of it, we are going to take the two, like this and this. Okay, we're going to take it and work on a shadow for them, like this. Give it a shadow, using size. Okay, just shadow, nothing more, just shadows. So we are giving all of our text here and our everything there a shadow. Okay, keep up. Okay, let's give our line a shadow, like this. Okay, there we have it. That it can stand out well. I mean, even be right with the fire behind it, so that it will stand out well. All right, so screen blending mode, then you use your brush like that. Okay guys, okay, you take down like that. So you can position it anywhere, but I chose to do this, position it like that. You create a duplicate just to make it shine brighter, like this, like that, like this, like that. Okay, so we go to our fire, then just as we learned earlier on how to brush out with this layer mask. Okay, so this is how everything came about. Okay, all right, so there we have it. There we have it, guys. We are heading somewhere. We're not done, but we're heading somewhere, guys. Okay, sorry, Control Z to undo. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to help and support me to bring out more flyer designs and more free PSDs. Okay, Control G to group everything here, naming it 3D shape. Okay, okay guys, just about to create another 3D effect. The 3D effect down there. Okay, please keep up with the details as I move on. Okay, so here we are going to use black. Okay, just giving it white so that we can all see what we are working on. Okay, Control T to transform again. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we'll go to our blending mode. Right, let's select. So we are masking out. Okay, then you go to FX. So this is the stage where we turn back to black. Nothing is bold, guys, it is just our shape. Alright, go to FS, give it a bevel and a boss like this. Just keep up with the details, okay? Keep up with the details. Just so soft to give it the background like that. Okay, and there we have it. Alright, about 45. Okay, so when you're done, you take OK to finish, Control T to transform, and like everything, you just press Control T. So let's bring in some darker parts of the shades like that. I mean white to restore any mistake or to bring back any mistake, just as we have done. Good. Reducing the softs, sending it down like that. There we have it. How do you see it, guys? How do you see this? Okay, I hope you like my videos, and please, if you do like them, kindly like and subscribe. Don't forget. Okay, so this is our 3D image. There we have it. Alright, so guys, from here I am going to skip all the text editing and so see ya. Okay guys, you are welcome. Alright, so there we have it. This is our text editing. I speeded this video just because I wanted to keep up with time so that you won't waste much time in watching all of my typing and everything. Okay, alright, so this is it. These are the informations, the details. Okay, let's bring in our image, our logo. So our church logo is in. Boom. Okay, let's add our logo. Reduce the size a bit. Okay, it is not showing up well, so let's give it a white. Double click to open a blending option, another shortcut. Go to color overlay, select white, click OK. When you're done, there we have it, guys. There we have it. So we are left with one, which is presents. So presents, I'm using font Montserrat. So in order to make, once again I am repeating myself, in order to make an attractive flyer, note not to use not more than, okay, don't use more than 2 fonts in your work. All right, so there we have it, guys. This is it, guys. Alright, so I'm grouping all this so that we go to the last part of this design. So at this point I want you to pay another close attention, okay, because here we are going to learn a new format. Okay guys, so I really appreciate your effort for clicking to watch this video. So as we are going to this last part, I thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I've dropped my particle, so here we are going to give it a duplicate just like that, and right click to merge layers so that they become one. Put it on screen like that to have the particles flying all over like this screen. Okay, so here you create a layer mask, so you press Ctrl+I to invent the layer mask. So after inventing, you take your brush tool and make sure your foreground color is on white, and then you brush over like this to bring out the particles. Okay guys, this is how you bring out the particles at the latter part of this video. Okay, alright guys, thank you once again for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and see you